Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to do a simulation in PSpice so you guys can see your DC bias point of the circuit. By doing that, you're gonna see your voltage, the current flowing through each branch and power dissipated in each component. To save time, I went ahead and already create a circuit. Um, Let me go and zoom in by hitting here zoom in option. Oops, too much. Zoom a little bit. Okay. Just a little additional information here. For those who wants to change the value, just double click on the value itself and you guys can change it to whatever you guys want. I'm gonna keep as 2K. Be sure you put for ohms, for example, like here 200 ohms. You can just leave as the number, but for those like kilo, micro, milli, those we will need to put prefix. So for milli, kilo, there will be just the first letter. It could either be a capital, lowercase. So for example, kilo is K, milli is M. However, for micro, you will use the U for micro. Okay. So here's the prefix. Let me go and zoom in. Oh, let me see so you guys can see it better. There we go, it's better. So here it goes. As you can see, tera with T, giga with the G, mega is MEG, either capital or lowercase. Okay. And the micro is the U. Okay. All right. Let's continue with my schematic here. Okay. So to run simulation, we'll go to PSpice, new simulation profile, the name. In this case, I will just write down, let's see. I guess I just, no, I would do, sorry, just in case I want to save it to something else. Yeah, okay, or something, okay. DC circuit simulation. No, that there's no space because the space is not part of the options of naming them. So I'm keeping it all together without spaces. Hit create. Okay, this pops up. Since we want to know the bias point of the circuit, we'll do analysis. No way. Yeah, no, it's in general. Let's see. Yes, I would do analysis. Then I would do where's it? Yeah, I think it's here. Yeah, there it goes. Bias point. There we go. Cool. Let's see, include detailed bias point information for 19 controller. For now, we'll just keep it how it is. And then we'll go ahead and hit apply. Okay. And I'm gonna hit play right here. As you okay down here, this pops up. This is your simulation window, and this is where the results comes out, displays. However, we don't have any, and that's because for this particular simulation that we're doing, it's gonna appear on the schematic itself. So here, as you can see, now we have some things got highlighted now. Here also they can be selected. We're gonna do the V for voltage. See, here's the voltages. Of course, ground, no voltage. Current. Going through this, and we have the power. and blue. Okay, so this is how you display your voltage, current, and power in your circuit. Okay, well, I hope this helps out, and please feel free to comment and watch my other videos. Okay, bye.